Have you ever been too busy to meet someone new? Well, yesterday I was too busy to meet someone new, but a friend of mine named Michael suggested that I had to meet this person who he was hosting through couchsurfing, a gentleman named Kenton from Edmonton. Now, Kenton is a fascinating person who I did meet despite having a really busy schedule yesterday, and we had a wonderful conversation for more than an hour and a half about all the amazing work that he's doing, teaching people about permaculture and teaching people about how to build tiny homes. And I was able to share with him a bunch of information about what I do with this talk to more people concept, about the importance of being open to speaking with people who you've never met before. Now, much of the work that I've done has been about teaching people how to get into conversations with people who they've never met before. And what I'd like to mention here is that it's not just important to go and meet new random strangers. It's also important to take up the opportunity when a friend or a mutual friend suggests that you connect with someone who they know, even if you're busy, because the coolest things can come from such a new connection. I have no doubt that Kenton and I will be in touch beyond our meeting. We found a number of ways that we can support one another and one another's businesses. And so I'm super grateful to Michael for giving the introduction, and I'm proud of myself for making time to meet this person who I'm excited to know, really excited to know. So in conclusion, my offer is that even if you think you're too busy to meet someone who you're being introduced to, that you make the time to meet that person and give it a chance, because you just never know what amazing opportunities might be there waiting for you to explore. Have a good one. Get out there.